Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know that feeling, right? That itch, that burning desire to just drop everything and book a flight to somewhere, anywhere new and exciting. You open up the airline websites and bam! Reality hits you in the face like $1,000 plane ticket. Well, I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be that way. Today we're diving into some insider booking hacks to help you find the cheapest flights. We're gonna crack the code, break it down, and I'm gonna show you how to travel the world without breaking the bank. Stick around because this is gonna be good. First up, let's talk about booking in advance. I'm talking way in advance, like a boss. Airlines are like chess masters, they're thinking several moves ahead. They release these tickets sometimes up to a year in advance, and the earlier you book, the lower the price. Why? Because they want to secure your commitment, they want to know you're down to ride with them. So, get ahead of the game, plan your trips, and lock in those sweet, sweet early bird discounts. Next, we're going to tap into the power of the internet because let's face it, that's where the magic happens. Flight comparison websites, my friends, are your new best friends. Skyscanner, Google Flights, Kayak, these are your weapons in the fight against overpriced airfare. These sites let you compare prices across a whole bunch of airlines and travel agencies. You can see who's offering the best deal, who's trying to pull a fast one, and who's going to get you to your destination for the cheapest price. Alright, listen up because this next one is key. Flexibility is king. If you're chained to specific dates, you're playing right into the airline's hands. They know when everyone wants to fly and they jack up the prices accordingly. But, if you're down to be a little spontaneous, if you can shift your travel dates by a day or two, maybe even try a midweek flight instead of a weekend getaway, you can find some seriously cheap flights. Trust me, a little flexibility can go a long way. This one ties in with flexibility, but it's all about timing. Think about it. Everyone wants to fly at the most convenient times, right? Friday afternoon, Sunday evening, those peak times equal peak prices. But if you're willing to fly during the off-peak times, like midday or even a red-eye flight, you can often snag some insanely cheap fares. Plus, you get to feel like a boss, flying while everyone else is stuck in rush-hour traffic. Last but not least, let's talk about loyalty, baby. Airline rewards programs are like the secret society of cheap flights. Sign up for these programs, rack up those points or miles, and watch as they magically transform into free or discounted flights. It's like getting rewarded for doing something you already love, traveling. There you have it, my friends. Insider booking hacks to unlock the cheapest flights and get you out there exploring the world. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks and tips. Remember, traveling doesn't have to break the bank. With a little bit of planning, a little bit of savvy, and a whole lot of adventure, you can make your travel dreams a reality. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.